I am awake. Sexy. Today we have a photo shoot. FX. Victoria's still in Victoria. She's gonna shoot later. I'm gonna see Crystal and see Luna at the same time in so long. Yay! But we're shooting for our Japanese single. Yeah, something like that. Hello. It's actually really good. Hockey walrus. 허진 오빠.
너무 많이 출연하는 거 아니야?
Just one?
Thank
Do you want strawberry or do you want photo? No! Don't eat it. Take picture. Take picture. How was Hawaii? Makeup.
I'm not makeup.
I'm doing makeup.
지금 잠 잘 거야.
죽어.
그린 이거 끝나면 어쨌든
찍고 있는 거 알지? Gotta do my hair.
나 아사히볼 사다 줘.
나도 아사히볼.
아사히볼. I want a very healthy food.
So these are my pants. The designer apparently like glue or some stuff on it, and then he put a bunch of paper on it, and he like one by one just like took it all off. Okay, back to changing. 사랑해.
사랑해.
I know. 힘쓰기. You're gonna kill me if I take you. 여기? Stop hitting yourself. Stop hitting yourself. Stop hitting yourself. 아, 내가 이거 Stop hitting yourself. Stop hitting yourself. Stop. 아 진짜? 이거 때리지 말고. 아우. 여러 개씩 하지 마.
Your friend can do drinking like a party.
Okay,
So,
yeah.
so just make it happening.
When the concept is so free, you just don't know what to do.
Okay. Right. Good. Okay, very good. Perfect. Thanks so much.
Yo, that's sexy. Jumping llama.
Good.
Oh yeah, Luna. Yeah, you worked that. Yeah, you worked that pose. Hey, Luna.
나 싼디 오빠. I like him. 욕 같은 거 하면 다 해.
Yeah. Oh, watch.
안 돼. 나 뭐 닮았어?
야, 나 춤 거의 다 외웠어.
파라피?
파워풀 뭐야? 그거 너 뭐지? 그 캐릭터 있었잖아.
동그라미?
너무 귀여워. 귀여워. 나도 완전 귀여워. 와. 이거 해서 이거 이거 근데 이거 뭐야? 다음에 뭐지? 아니요. 먹지 마.
I'm so hungry.
거기 있어. 파키. 큰 파키.
지금 떡볶이 드시고 싶으시대.
예,
빨리 찍으셔야 돼, 지금.
예, 죄송합니다.
Good. Okay. Nice.
아이고 예쁘다.
오, 썸디 오빠. 40을 됐네. 깜빡대 구나사.
성규 오빠한테 욕 먹어.
알았어.
잼버야.
Okay.
이상해졌어. So this is Yamashita-san. It's like Mamacita but Yamashita. Took like Yamaha and Mamacita together with Yamashita. He has the best shoes. Oh, so cool. I want to be just like him. Can't cue the sexy music. Wouldn't it love, baby? So am I still maybe? It's fun to stop hating. Luna, say hi.
Say hi. 사이볼. 사이볼.
Luna. Why do I look like 쌈디 오빠?
얼굴형 닮았다.
쌈디 오빠 같아?
쌈디 오빠 같아. 반대쪽. 저기가.
Yeah, Simon D picture right here.
Yeah.
You look so beautiful today.
Thank you.
You're a Hawaiian princess. So this is a DVD. And it has form and all this cool thing. Time to go. I'm a cowboy. Yeehaw!
Beautiful, good. Perfect, beautiful. Nice, good.
우리 선영이 예쁘네.
예쁜 나이 24. 얼굴 정말 쌈디 오빠 같아.
너는 하와이안 프린세스 같아.
You really? I love BY. BY 보고 계신가요? BY 정말 멋있습니다.
가볼게요.
예.
I'm getting sleepy. I think it's due to the fact that I was playing too much. Sleepy life.
Yeah. And kick it.
Simon Dominic.
Okay, so shoot is done. I'm fully awake now. I guess I gotta start my day again with my friends. I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm gonna go play, I think, or I'm gonna go home and sleep and watch Netflix or something like that. Something boring, but we'll figure that out. I'm eating. I start the day with Pocky, end the day with Pocky. Bye. Bye. Yes.
난 바보야.
그거
뭐예요?
That's my ranting monkey thing.
난 바보야. 난 원숭이야. 난 원숭이야.